Hey guys, welcome back to another video with InfoSecPat. In this video, we're going to be talking about my goals for 2023, what you guys should be expecting, all that stuff, and just a little bit about personal goals, right? And I want to bring that out there and I want to put it out there just so you guys can hold me accountable. So if 2024 comes around and you guys watch this video and my goals aren't met, you guys can give me a smack on the wrist, okay? So I did write a few down, but I'm just going to go off the top of my head about ones I really want to accomplish this year and I really want to buckle down. Okay, so the first one, I want to be able to excel in my career, keep learning, keep getting certifications, and we'll get into the certifications in a minute, the ones I want to get this year and I want to work on. But yeah, that's pretty much the first one. Throughout this new year, excel in my career and just keep moving, learn as much as I can. And the company I work for, just bring it to bring my best of my ability to the company and just keep growing. That's number one, right? Obviously I have other goals like family goals, but this is more for the channel, and I'll get to the personal ones. And another goal of mine is to get the PMPT. So if you guys are interested in the PMPT, I want to put some links in the description below. You can use those links, get the training that you need. I am an affiliate with CCM. Keith Adams and the gang over there are awesome people, so I definitely recommend their training. I'm doing it myself, so I can't say anything but good things. It's very easy to digest, so if you're really a beginner, they walk you through step by step how to set stuff up, and it's very, very hand-holding, so kudos to you, Heath, if you ever watched this video. The next one is to get back into, and this is a personal one, get back into my health routine, like meal prepping, going back to the gym. I'm not sure if you guys are aware, but I broke my shoulder and I tore some ligaments in my shoulder 7 months ago now playing hockey. So it's almost 7 months now. They said it's going to take about a year. So I've been working out very, light weights and doing exercise. So I'm trying to keep my, health up, but it was hard for months. I couldn't do much besides walk. I couldn't lift any weights. I couldn't engage my bicep or anything. But now it's about 70%. So I would say another 5 months I should be good, hopefully. And another goal about my channel, right? So there's a goal that I want to do on this channel is to at least put 2 to 3 videos out a week and stream something live 1 to 2 times a month. Obviously, I have my personal life, so I cannot really live stream that often, but that's something I really want to put into the books this year. Okay, so that's another one. I want to try to do it at least twice a month, maybe every other week. And that's something, maybe stream a Hack the Box, or maybe stream a Try Hack Me machine, or a room, or a Vuln Hub, whatever the case may be, or setting up a new lab, or setting up Cisco. And that leads me into the next topic, is the content that I want to create. For the last 2.5 years, almost 3 years now that I have this channel, I've been focused on InfoSec, but then YouTube, I had some other stuff go on, like when I was teaching about Wi-Fi hacking, because I really enjoy Wi-Fi hacking and pen testing. And, those videos got taken down because of stuff that it contains, but it's all on my own network. So it doesn't matter. Like in my head, if I'm doing something in my own network, I'm teaching a concept. I'm not attacking anyone else. I'm doing everything in my network. I own everything I do. Still, like going forward, everything I'm doing, if it's not on a platform like Hack the Box or Try Hack Me, anything like that, anything I'm doing, like I want to do a video with this little flipper, right? I just got this flipper for Christmas, right? And I want to set it up and all that stuff. But, the stuff I want to be doing with that is my own stuff, right? I'm going to be testing some stuff out, but that's down the road. So I just wanted to put that out there. Everything I'm doing, everything I'm testing on is my stuff or a platform that gives you the consent to hack, right? So I will never condone, I will never teach, don't ever reach out to me how to hack your girlfriend's Instagram or anything like that. That's not me. I'm not in that world, right? Everything I do is ethically, everything I do is professionally. So I just want to put that out there. I know that's off tangent, but I just want to put it out there. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to bring to the table this year. Get the PMPT, evolve in my career, keep learning, and put at least 2 to 3 videos out a week and live stream, twice a month, right? There is other certifications I really want to get, like from Pen Test Academy. They have the certified Red Team Professional. I believe it's like from Active Directory defending and attacking. That one seems really interesting. That's something that's going to be on my books as well. But I really want to focus on the PMPT. I want to get that, before the summer. So I need to buckle down, do that. So if you have any, if you have any, excuse me, if you have any goals that you want to share, please leave it in the comments below. I'm going to be uploading this video on my Twitter, my Instagram, my Discord. So join the journey, right? If you have anything that you want to share, come on, let's share it. And, let 2023 be the best year so far, and just live every day and let's make the best of it. So that's going to conclude this video today. Happy New Year. Hopefully you guys had an awesome and beautiful and healthy holiday and great start to the new year. And yeah, so InfoSec Pat's goals. Got Pat's goals now. So like I said, 2024 comes around a year from today and those aren't accomplished, smack me. No, don't literally smack me, but you guys get it. I really appreciate every single supporter and every single watcher from doing my walkthroughs and hearing me out on these little tangent videos. And there was another actually goal that I wrote down that I actually saw when I picked this up and I totally forgot, that I want to start doing giveaways. So say for an example, I got the Red Team Field Manual V2, right? It's an awesome book. It's very easy to read. And say for example, maybe once every 3 months, or if I get at a certain subscriber count, like I think now I'm at like 22,000 something. Okay, at every 10,000, like so. Okay, 30,000 subscribers, we'll do a giveaway. Maybe I'll do an alpha card, Wi-Fi alpha card because I love Wi-Fi pen testing. Maybe I'll do, I would say a flipper, but these things are, very very hard to get. Like it took me a month and a half just to get mine. So little things, and I'm doing some stuff for my members as well, but that'll be on the members video. And I want to do monthly for my subscribers and my members, that I want to do a little something for them, like develop a course for them, or give them vouchers for Hack the Box or Try Hacking or their favorite platform just from supporting my content. So let's stop there. I don't want this to be million minutes. So this is almost 10 minutes already of hearing me blabber. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And until next time, let's keep on going. 2023, let's rock and roll. And much love and support to everyone out there watching my stuff and all that stuff. So please like, subscribe, share, and all that good stuff. Leave comments and hack the algorithm in YouTube. And let's go for it. Take care, folks.